Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to take this out for a drive, POV style. Going to drive through the city, take it through the tunnel, just see if we can get a reaction with this car. Now, I have previously reviewed this car already, so if you want to see that video, I will leave a link for it in the description below. Now, this is for sale by Vans West, so if you are interested in having a look, a link again will be in the description below, so please take a look. So without further ado, let's get the key out, hop into this thing, and just go for a drive. Here's the key here. Little car there, key there. It looks pretty standard from Honda, to be honest. And this one being the manual. Now, I will say, if you've seen my review on this before, it is quite harsh with the suspension setup on this Liberty Walk kit, but it is still just a joy to drive, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be taking it out again. I feel small. Oh God, I feel small. Oh man, look at this. I got a Suzuki Swift in front of me and the thing looks massive. It really does. I'm getting overtaken by a Volkswagen Beetle and the thing looks huge. You know, this is the funniest part about this car. It's just so funny. Just gonna go through the tunnel here. Then we'll pull off. We'll go through the city, see if we get any reactions. Oh, he's coming through the city tunnel here. Woo! This is such a fun car. CLS 500. God damn. Not bad. She ain't no Liberty Walk S660. It's coming into the CBD here. He's bouncy. There's police looking at my car. Uh-oh. Let's see if they yell out at us. That was quite stressful, even though this isn't my car. I know how anal Australia can be with modifications, so to see the cops all poking their heads out looking at this thing, I was like, oh no. But hey, they come after me, so there's a bonus. God damn. Such a bloody bumpy city to drive through though, and these coilovers, it is pretty rough. Ooh. Beautiful M3. Oh, M5, my mistake. Everyone's got a swivel. Oh, cheers, buddy. Does a subscriber recognize me? Didn't think I was gonna get recognized. Oh, GTR. GTR. Dream car right there. Blacked out GTR. Then you gotta get the Liberty Walk kit for it. Like this. Want that GTR. Oof. She's low. So funny to see subscribers yell out. That was just awesome. I do look like a bit of a knob with this camera on my head, but not to mention I'm driving a baby blue Liberty Walk S660 through the CBD. Hey, when in Rome. When in Rome. Got another guy filming on his phone, trying to be super subtle about it. I see you, buddy, on the bike. This is St. George's Terrace, sort of our main street business district. Not many people out. Obviously, it's a bit late on a Friday, so some more people having a look. Yeah, this car is funny. It is funny to drive this thing around. It really is. Now, unfortunately, I am on a time crunch. I've got to get home, and I am probably going to be late already, so I think that's going to be it for the city drive. I was going to want to go in a bit more, but a couple of laps, but maybe another day. Pull back out on the freeway, head down to Vans West once again, and drop this thing off. They got a runner. We got a runner. Back down to the freeway. Train station is up here. We might get a few people running to the train station. Oh, and a Lotus. About the same size as that Lotus, nearly. Probably a bit smaller to be actual, but not much. Mini. You think that's a Mini? Black GTR and the subscriber highlight of the day for sure. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this first person POV style video. Sort of what it's like to drive one of these S660s, especially with the Liberty Walk kit. Probably didn't get as much attention as I had probably hoped for, but hey, coronavirus, so a lot of people aren't out in the streets actually, so we saw a subscriber, saw a couple of nice cars, win-win. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to hit that like button, consider subscribing if you're new here, and we'll see you on that next video.